Welcome to my channel itechsolution. Hello viewers. Today I will discuss a Excel calculation, tax calculation of based on net salary of 12 months. And this is a demonstration demo problem only. It defines some technique how to calculate some some supposed to be tax payment options depends on conditions, some criteria. And first I will discuss this criteria. Suppose this is net salary column, and depending on this net salary I will proceed to calculate other things. And suppose this is HRA, CCA, SCA and TPT, and which has the deduction values to calculate net salary income. And this is given as with the formula. This is the net salary minus some of these values. Similarly, there is another options of deductions and Indian issues ITC. Some conditions are there to standard deductions, which allows deduction of for total savings. So this column is for total savings, some of these values. And this is the condition again here. The maximum reduction will be allowed for male, and that is 1,10,000 suppose, and female is 1,35,000, and not exceeding these values in this total column. And next is the net income, where does this values is depending on these values, the net income is deducted to the average of these values amount. And next is the one standard the deduction is 1 lakh suppose, then it will be net called as net taxable income. And then this value is final to calculate taxes depending on tax slabs, suppose 10%, 20%, 30%. And the condition is suppose given us already. So now calculate the calculation is I show you the formula. What is the calculation? This is net salary, suppose 7,50,000, and the HRA is suppose 1,50,000, and CCA is suppose 600, SCA 6,000, TPT 4,000. Then net salary income will be the net salary of this person minus some of these values. Here C4, suppose D4 plus A4 plus F4. And next is ZPF, suppose 80,000, 40,000 VPF values, LIC is 20,000. Then sum of these values is given here as 1,40,000. And then with the condition of female for F and etc., then maximum reduction will be applied as this 1,35,000, because if it is more than 1,35,000, the 5,000 will be ignored. So to calculate these values, here the most important thing is how to calculate this based on the F or M values. It is here I have designed an if condition, if an and condition to verify both the things for M and F, M for male and F for female. So here if and K4 value is more than 1,10,000, and equally L4 is M, then it should get the value 1,10,000. If similarly the K4 is more than 1,35,000, and L4 is suppose given as F, then it should equally get the values of 1,35,000. If both the condition is not fulfilled, then it is automatically goes to the value true value K4 and K4. Here one condition is also given, whether if K4 is less than 1,35,000, then and F4, then it should also give the values of K4, default value of K4. K4 means the total saving. That is we have to calculate all the conditions depending on this saving, total savings, and male female condition, and the value is kept here. And next thing is very easy to calculate than the net income, because net income is calculate the total net salary income minus the deduction, these values. This is M and this is Z. Sale value is net salary income. So then the net income is again have a convenience of 1 lakh deduction here. So it values goes this minus 1 lakh. So this is this is income, net income, minus 1 lakh. This should be net income. So, okay. So this value is we have the final value, and then we will calculate the tax. And here we have the condition in Indian tax slabs that 2,50,000 is not taxable income, and more than 2,50,000, and then up to 5 lakhs, less than 5 lakhs, and the calculation is 10% of the total income. So this gives the values, the minus of this 250, 2,50,000, and the calculation value is 10%, and it is giving this value 10,440. So based on this process, we can go for the another things also, more than 5 lakh, then we will calculate 20% accordingly. So you can add more these conditions on this sale value. So now this is the fact how the condition, how the calculation is made based on net salary. So I will repeat it again. This is net salary column. This is the standard values of where rebate is given, and this is the standard of under savings scheme, and based on male and female, it goes the deduction of this. And here I have add the formula is here. Suppose I will add M, then it will automatically change the value 1,10,000, because male is assigned as 1,10,000 and female is maximum rebate is 1,35,000. So this is here female. And then the net income will be the total saving deducted total the deducted value is this, and subtracted from this net salary income. So Z column minus M column. So this is the net income. And we have some convenient of 1 lakh deduction, standard deduction, then it goes to the taxable income 10,54,400, and then the tax is the paid tax is calculated here. So this is all. Thank you, and you may do it once at your own to calculate some calculation, again new calculation tricks on tax income, tax paid calculation. Thank you.